Hey guys, this is Maria from ShowaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use the new level feature on Instagram stories. The level tool helps users to ensure that they are holding their phone straight before taking a photo or recording a video. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Go to Instagram Home tab, swipe right or press on your story in the top left corner of the screen. When the camera window opens, find the level icon on the left-hand side and click on it. A 9-square grid appears on the screen. Point the camera to an object you want to take a photo or video of. Once you see a yellow flash in the center square, it means you are holding your device level. Now take a photo or record a video. Don't forget that you can use effects, insert stickers, emojis, draw or write something on your story if you want. As soon as your story post is ready, simply hit the Send To button and share your story. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use the new level feature on Instagram stories. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at ShowaySocial.com.